Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel NSR Books. Today we are going to discuss the concept of continuous improvement, as highlighted in the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. Continuous improvement is all about making small, incremental changes over time to enhance our habits, behaviors, and outcomes. It's like following the Kaizen philosophy, which originated in Japanese business culture and focuses on continuous improvement through consistent efforts. The key here is to make tiny, manageable changes regularly. These small steps may seem insignificant at first, but over time they lead to significant improvements. Instead of aiming for drastic changes or overnight success, it's all about taking small steps consistently. According to Clear, it's the combination of these small improvements that leads to significant results. So don't underestimate the power of incremental progress. Continuous improvement is an iterative process. It involves trying new approaches, learning from the outcomes, and making adjustments based on feedback. By experimenting with different strategies and learning from both our successes and failures, we can refine our habits and behaviors for better results. Feedback and reflection play a crucial role in continuous improvement. Regularly evaluating our progress, gathering feedback from our experiences, and reflecting on what works and what doesn't are key components of this process. This feedback loop allows us to identify areas for improvement and make informed adjustments to our habits and systems. Having a growth mindset is closely tied to continuous improvement. Instead of viewing challenges and setbacks as obstacles, Clear encourages us to see them as opportunities for learning and growth. Adopting a mindset of continuous learning and improvement fosters resilience, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace change. Consistency and patience are the foundations of continuous improvement. Clear advises us against expecting instant results and instead advocates for staying committed to the process over the long term. By staying consistent and patient, we can gradually refine our habits, behaviors, and systems for sustained improvement and success. So remember, continuous improvement is all about making small, incremental changes, learning from our experiences, and having the right mindset. Let's embrace this concept and strive for continuous growth and success in our lives. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, introducing the Kaizen philosophy, a Japanese concept rooted in continuous improvement through small, incremental changes. Known as change for better or continuous improvement, a Kaizen emphasizes the power of small steps taken consistently over time to bring about significant improvements, rather than striving for grand gestures or drastic changes. Kaizen focuses on making tiny adjustments that are easy to implement and sustain. Another key aspect of Kaizen is the identification and elimination of waste, inefficiencies, and unnecessary elements in processes or habits. By streamlining and optimizing routines, individuals can maximize their productivity and effectiveness. The Kaizen philosophy also encourages an iterative process of experimentation, evaluation, and refinement. It urges individuals to try new approaches, gather feedback, analyze outcomes, and make continuous improvements based on what works best. This mindset fosters a culture of continuous learning and growth, where challenges are approached with curiosity, adaptability, and resilience. Learning from both successes and failures is seen as valuable feedback for making informed improvements. At its core, Kaizen prioritizes long-term sustainability over quick fixes or temporary solutions. By consistently applying Kaizen principles, individuals can create lasting changes in habits that contribute to ongoing personal and professional development. Embrace the power of Kaizen and unlock the potential for continuous improvement in your life. Start with small, manageable steps. Eliminate waste, Embrace an iterative process, emphasize learning, and prioritize long-term sustainability. With Kaizen, every small change leads to a better tomorrow. Are you tired of aiming for drastic transformations or overnight success? Incremental progress is the key to achieving your goals. By consistently making small improvements or changes, you can steadily advance towards success. Clear introduces the concept of the compound effect, which means that each small step you take contributes to the overall progress. This creates a snowball effect of improvement and growth. But remember, consistency is crucial. Even if progress seems slow at first, showing up and putting in effort consistently will build momentum and create lasting change. The concept of incremental progress aligns with the Kaizen philosophy, which focuses on continuous improvement through small, incremental changes. By making daily improvements, you can avoid the pressure of perfectionism and stay motivated by the progress you see over time. Incremental progress also involves a feedback loop. By assessing your actions, evaluating outcomes, and making adjustments based on feedback, you can refine and optimize your habits and strategies. And let's not forget to celebrate small wins along the way. By acknowledging progress and staying motivated, you reinforce positive behaviors and encourage continued effort. So embrace incremental progress and watch as small improvements compound over time to lead to significant results. Are you tired of feeling stuck in your habits and routines? It's time to approach habit formation as an iterative process. What does that mean? Well, it involves repeating steps and making adjustments based on feedback, all in the pursuit of achieving better results. By experimenting with different strategies and approaches, you can gather valuable data and insights about what works best for you. Trying out new behaviors, routines, or systems allows you to uncover the most effective methods for creating lasting change in your life. But it doesn't stop there. The iterative process includes a feedback loop where you evaluate outcomes, gather feedback from your experiences, and use that feedback to make informed adjustments. This feedback loop helps you identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities for improvement,
and areas that
require further refinement. Flexibility is key. Instead of rigidly sticking to a single method or plan, be open to change and willing to adjust your strategies based
on feedback and learning.
This adaptability allows for more effective problem solving and optimization of your habits and behaviors. The ultimate goal of the iterative process is continuous improvement. By iterating on your strategies, learning from your experiences, and making ongoing adjustments, you can progressively improve your habits, routines, and outcomes. It's all about embracing the idea of Kaizen, or continuous improvement, which is a fundamental principle in atomic habits. But adopting an iterative mindset requires a shift in perspective. Don't view setbacks or failures as permanent roadblocks. Instead, see them as opportunities for learning and growth. By embracing the iterative process, you cultivate resilience, problem-solving skills, and a willingness to persevere in the face of challenges. So, are you ready to start your journey of continuous improvement? Embrace the iterative process, experiment with different strategies, gather feedback, and make adjustments along the way. Your best habits and routines are waiting to be discovered. Seeking feedback is an essential part of personal growth and improvement. Clear emphasizes the importance of not only receiving feedback, but also actively seeking it out. There are two types of feedback. Immediate, which is received shortly after taking an action, and delayed, which may take time to manifest. Both are valuable in assessing progress and making adjustments. Feedback loops are continuous cycles of taking action, receiving feedback, and using that feedback to adjust future actions. Clear encourages us to establish feedback loops in our habits, regularly evaluating outcomes, and making informed decisions. Feedback allows for objective assessment of our habits and behaviors, helping us identify patterns, strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Self-reflection is also crucial for understanding our habits, motivations, triggers, and obstacles. Feedback and reflection are integral to the learning process, enabling us to learn from our experiences and adjust our behaviors for better results. By actively engaging in feedback and reflection, we become more self-aware, adaptive, and proactive in our personal growth journey. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? A mindset of growth is the key. It's the belief that with dedication, effort, and learning, you can develop and improve your abilities, skills, and qualities. This is in stark contrast to a fixed mindset, where people believe their abilities are innate and unchangeable. A growth mindset means embracing challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Instead of fearing failure or setbacks, you see them as stepping stones to improvement. Curiosity, resilience, and a willingness to learn from experiences will guide you on this journey. Persistence and resilience are vital traits of those with a growth mindset. They understand that setbacks are part of the learning process and stay committed to their goals despite difficulties. It's all about valuing effort, perseverance, and continuous improvement over seeking instant success. Learning and development take center stage for those with a growth mindset. By approaching situations with a learning orientation, feedback, experiences, and failures become opportunities for growth. You become more adaptable, open to feedback, and proactive in seeking new challenges. Feedback is invaluable for individuals with a growth mindset. They embrace constructive criticism and use it to make informed adjustments to their habits and behaviors. Actively seeking feedback, reflecting on experiences, and applying lessons learned are essential steps on the path to growth. A growth mindset believes in the power of effort and deliberate practice. It debunks the myth of innate talent and emphasizes the importance of consistent effort, practice, and learning in achieving mastery. By focusing on effort, you develop a sense of agency and control over your outcomes. So, are you ready to embrace a mindset of growth? With dedication, effort, and a willingness to learn, you can unlock your full potential and achieve incredible things. Your growth journey starts now. Do you believe in improvement? A growth mindset is all about believing that our abilities and qualities can be developed through dedication, effort, and learning. It's about cultivating a mindset that focuses on continuous improvement and progress over time. With a growth mindset, challenges become opportunities for learning and growth. Instead of avoiding difficulties or setbacks, we see them as chances to develop new skills and strengths. We approach challenges with resilience, curiosity, and a willingness to learn from our experiences. Learning and development are at the core of a growth mindset. By adopting a learning-oriented approach, we value feedback, failures, and experiences as valuable sources of knowledge. This makes us more adaptable, open to feedback, and proactive in seeking new challenges. Effort and persistence are the keys to success. The myth of innate talent is debunked, and we understand the importance of consistent effort, practice, and perseverance in achieving our goals. We know that mastery and improvement require ongoing dedication and hard work. Feedback is not something we shy away from in a growth mindset. We welcome and embrace it because we see it as valuable input for our growth and development. We actively seek feedback, reflect on our experiences, and use it to make informed adjustments to our habits and behaviors. A growth mindset is all about believing in possibilities and the potential for change. Our abilities are not fixed. Through intentional effort, we can cultivate new skills, and qualities. By adopting a growth mindset, we develop a sense of agency, resilience, and optimism about our ability to overcome challenges and achieve our goals. So let's embrace the power of growth mindset and unlock our full potential. Believe in improvement, embrace challenges, prioritize learning, put in the effort, embrace feedback, and believe in the possibilities. Success is within reach when we adopt a growth mindset.
Welcome to
power of
NSR
consistency
Books today.
In achieving
We're
our
talking
goals.
about
Consistency means taking small, positive actions every day that add up over time. By practicing consistency, we reinforce our habits, build momentum, and make progress towards our desired outcomes. Daily rituals help us establish this consistency by incorporating positive habits into our routines. This structured framework sets us up for success. We can also use habit stacking to make it easier to maintain consistency by linking new habits with existing ones. Celebrating small wins along the way reinforces our consistency and builds confidence. Even incremental progress is significant and should be acknowledged. Patience is key in maintaining consistency over the long term. It's important to trust the process, stay focused on long-term goals, and avoid seeking quick fixes or instant gratification. Both consistency and patience require a long-term perspective. By maintaining consistency and practicing patience, we increase our chances of achieving lasting results and maintaining positive habits over time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to NSR Books for more content on personal development and success. Thank you for watching.